You know exactly what to do, but are you doing it? Stay tuned, traders. We're going to talk about that next. G'day, traders. Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. Today we're talking about you know what to do, but are you doing it? One of the things that separates, I suppose, traders that are able to become consistently profitable traders versus maybe inconsistent or losing traders is their ability to develop their skills, find their niche, playbook setups, and be patient enough to wait for those trade setups. When the trade setups come, to hit those trades, manage their risk, profit from those trades, maybe big profits, little profits, but again, at the same time, manage their downside, learn from every single trade, journal their trades, study before the markets are open, after the markets are closed, in between, and just keep getting better on little details about how to master their entries on their particular setups, trade them with size, be able to manage that emotionally, and develop the intuition, and they have the intrinsic motivation to continue to develop and get better. I had our gardener come yesterday. We have a new gardener. We're trying him out, and he left grass, like he cut the grass, he did the gardens, and he's a nice guy. He did a good job, but he's blowing the grass everywhere. It's all over in my garage, it's all over the driveway, it's all over in our gardens. He didn't quite do the edging as we normally have had it done. It's a bit messy, and he didn't use the weed whacker along the fence and trim up all the weeds and that, and this is a professional gardener. So one of the questions I ask myself is that the best job that he could have done? Did he put himself into that 100%? I look at that, and that's how I approach the trading. And there's days, every little aspect about your trading, not just the trades themselves, but the journaling, the preparation, the follow-up after the trade, doing a report on the trade, studying it, making your notes, adding it to your playbook. Every little aspect, are you putting 100% into that? And, it's pretty obvious from the job that this guy did that he didn't do that. Now, I could let that slide, and it's not a big deal. But I'd be doing him a disservice, because what that means is it sends a message to him that it's okay to continue to do that. And that's what will happen in the markets. If you entertain bad behavior or poor preparation or poor execution or poor trade setup or taking trades outside of your plan or violating your risk management rules or not taking losses when you should, averaging into losers, becoming irrational, revenge trading, anger trading, I'm sure you can all relate to that. Then what'll happen, you get into hope mode, and you hope that you can come back and get out of that trade, and you promise you'll never do it again if you can just get out at break even or with a smaller loss. You get to a point of disregard where you almost let a trade continue to run against you because you've given up hope and you're no longer fearful. But it's important that if you remind yourself at any point along the way when you enter into that behavior, even if it's just on a whim, you're in a trade, you shouldn't have been there, you took too much leverage, whatever you've done, it's imperative that you get out right away. Whatever, take the loss, even if you're not at a loss, just get out of the trade. Learn to focus on being a professional and becoming a master of your craft and putting 100% into what it is that you're doing. You know what to do, but are you actually doing that every single day? So we're in the locker room, we're about to go out on the ice, we're talking about, everybody knows their job, they're all rah. You go to a trading seminar or you study a course and everybody's pumped up on the weekend, and then when Monday morning comes or when it's game time, you get out on the ice, all of a sudden certain players shrink, other players expand. Other players step into their greatness because they're so confident. They've bulletproofed themselves on flawlessly executing their game plan. Whereas other players realize they haven't done the preparation, they don't have the belief, they don't have the confidence, and they don't have the ability because they haven't done the work to prepare themselves and gone through trade after trade after trade to develop that skill set. And it's like this job, you know, it doesn't take that much extra effort to focus on the little details, to be at 100%, to be at your best, to get the job done, to do it well, win or lose. If you take a loss, it should be 1R. If you're in a profitable trade, maybe it's 3.5R, 4R, 2.8R. But, you know, again, understand that. Get in the mindset of being a master practitioner and really putting yourself 100% into what it is that you do. Because the difference between doing it right, you know, I tell my sons this all the time. Like my younger son, he'll get his laundry basket in his bedroom and his mom will tell him to get it done, and he'll dump it into the dirty clothes bin again and tell his mom he's put it all away. And I try to explain to him it takes the same amount of effort and energy to do it wrong as it does to do it right. And it takes probably the same amount of time. So focus on doing the things that you know you should be doing. You know what you need to do, but are you doing them or not? Now only you can answer that question. And so if you're not doing them, just focus on that subtle improvement every day. Get it done. Just do the little things. Even if it's one thing. We talked about setting a 30-day goal, picking one thing and focusing on that for the next 30 days. Mastering that and then picking another little thing. But do the things each day, each week, each month that you know you should be doing. And I guarantee you, you're going to see some improvements in your trading. You know, we talk about this in the 7-step daily routine for high-performance traders. If you haven't done so, go to my homepage, download it. I'm in the process of creating a video to go with that as well. And take it with you. Create the daily routines that are going to level you up. Make them congruent with the goals that you're after in your trading and in your personal life. Focus on constant progress. Fill the space and time that you have with getting better. Now, you know, I don't mean to be extreme about all of your time. I'm talking about when you say you're in working time, there's trading time, there's preparation time, there's working time, all those different things. But when it's that time, block everything else out, do it, set a timer, get it done. You know, when it's time to chill out and relax, go away from the screen. Go do something fun with your family or your significant other or your kids or whatever. Enjoy yourself. Build the lifestyle around the way you want things to be. Trading is a vehicle. Become a master of your craft. Focus on being the best version of yourself that you can be, not only as a trader, but as a person. So hopefully you got some value from today's video, traders. You know what you need to do. Are you doing it? Only you can answer that question. Keep getting better. Keep doing the little things that you know you need to be doing each and every day that are going to help you get better. And stay disciplined, stay focused, and may the markets go with you. Hi traders, it's Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. If you haven't done so, please head over to my website at staceyburketrading.com. I create updates on almost a daily basis and I would love for you to receive them. Just click on the blog. If you want to enter your name and your email address, I'll send you my free audio program, the 7-Step Daily Routine for High Performance Traders. This is essential knowledge for all traders in all markets, and this is for helping traders to master the market with discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset. I appreciate all your feedback and comments. As always, traders, stay disciplined and may the markets go with you.